All right, we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I never thought I'd say that. I'm excited for this.
I remember saying last year that you don't get to pee until you get to your destination, and I am starting to regret those words.
Exactly.
My back teeth are floating, as my dad would say.
What? Your dad used to say that?
Yes.
Your back
My
teeth are
tank is full, to use car terminology.
All across America, there are hidden gem towns full of amazing attractions.
Order up! Woo!
And wild rides.
I'm Doug. I'm a dad and a stand-up comedian. I'm constantly performing on the road, but rarely get time to enjoy the local hotspots.
Wow.
Amazing.
And I'm Sonya. I'm a gearhead and a race car driver. I've competed throughout the country. Now I get to slow down and enjoy the ride.
What is this, a Bel Air?
Yes, that is so cool.
CarShield is sending us on the ultimate road trip to check out the best this country has to offer.
Another road trip.
Let's do it.
So jump in and start your engine. This is Drive On.
I can already say it's a lot more green than I was expecting.
It is a lot more green.
And I think it's gonna get a whole lot greener because we're going to a park called the Gathering Place.
Ooh.
Coincidentally, designed by the same guy who designed Brooklyn Bridge Park. That is a park that I bring my son to all the time.
Oh, that's cool.
We're supposed to be meeting him at Adventure Playground.
Oh, right here.
Oh, wow, all right. They did not have playgrounds like this when I was a kid.
Where are we meeting?
We're supposed to meet Julio right here, I think.
Hey guys, come on up.
Julio, what are you doing up there?
Hi.
How do we get up there? Do I have to scale this
You'll
tower?
have to find your way.
Oh man, we'll see you in a couple hours probably.
See you soon.
I like to take the hard way.
It is not easy peasy.
Well, ladies
All right.
first.
So this is what you felt like, huh?
Does it look cozy? How did you do that fast?
Doug, come on. Oh my gosh. Don't kick me in the head.
That's pretty good.
It's a graceful entrance. Hi again.
Hey, welcome to Chapman Adventure Playground. Here in Tulsa, the Gathering Place has quickly become one of our icons. We've been here for just over 5 years. The park is over 66 acres right off the Arkansas River. Throughout this whole area, there's just lots of things that kids can do, including a zip line over on the side. So
There's a zip line?
Oh,
Yeah.
we have to
man.
do that. We have to do that.
you guys go enjoy the rest of the park.
You're leaving us to our own devices?
I think that's best.
Yeah.
We don't need parental or employee supervision?
You always need that.
Want me to push you?
Yeah.
Or you want to hop on there?
Yeah. No, like really get back there.
You're just insulting my manhood. No, I'm not going to be able to have kids. Here, you put one foot on there.
No way.
Go.
How did we both end up on the same side?
Rails really came off.
No, that was,
Survive, live to tell the tale.
yes, you did.
You won the go-karting. You won the treehouse scramble.
Oh, yeah,
right?
yeah.
I did win the bottling.
You did.
Fitz's root beer,
You did
right?
by 0.3 of a second, but that's
So,
still a win.
This is my turf. I spend a lot of time scrambling after my kid and going down slides. So I'm gonna give you the advantage here. This is obviously the shorter path, shorter slide. I have a longer path, longer slide. The winner of the slide challenge is the first one to plant both feet back down in this blue area here. Got it?
Got it.
All right, okay, drivers, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. You don't go on one. It's 3, 2, 1,
I didn't
go.
go on one.
You did. You went on one.
I definitely did not
On
go
that
on
one,
one.
you're halfway up the rock face. I'd like to dedicate this win to my son, without whom none of this would be possible. Dad mode in full effect.
All right, you got
That's
this
how
one.
it's done.
You got this one. You got this
That is how it's done. All right, next stop, center of the universe. I gotta tell you, I'm a little bit shocked to find out that the center of the universe is in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I was always under the impression that I was the center of the universe, so. The center of the universe is in a parking garage.
No, it's
Wow.
just that way.
Magical.
Because of the accidental way that they planted these planters, there is something called a parabolic reflection that happens. So in the center of the circle, there's like this reflection of sound that's happening, like an echo chamber. So we're about to figure it out.
So I'll stand back here and you see if you can hear an echo.
All right, can you hear? Do you hear the echo?
I don't hear the echo. What do you hear?
You don't?
No.
You guys gotta hear this. Justin, sound guy, come here. Get that boom over here. All right. Sound guy, am I blowing out your eardrums yet? Can you hear the echo?
Yes.
You can hear the echo? So I'm not crazy.
So you hear an echo.
And Justin hears an echo.
I don't really hear an echo. I hear you at a normal tone.
We gotta switch.
Echo, echo, echo. I don't hear an echo. I don't hear it now. Whoa, that's wild.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, it's like a booming echo.
Isn't that crazy?
Hello! Let's
Are you
hit
ready
it.
for our next stop?
Yeah, let's
All
do
right,
it.
let's go.
I don't know about you. Were you expecting the center of the universe to be slightly more ethereal and majestic? All right, so we're headed to the Meadow Gold District on Route 66.
Okay.
It's an integral part of any great American road trip. Originally built to connect Chicago and LA. Yeah.
So we're going to Ike's Chili. What is your take on chili?
What is your take on driving with the windows down for the rest of the road trip after we leave Ike's Chili?
Okay, that answers
I mean, you don't have to. There's Bucks on 66. They got some old cars parked out there.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I want to go see that.
All right, this is it, Ike's Chili. Let's get our chili fix on Route 66.
Hello, how are you doing today? Welcome to Ike's Chili.
I've heard a lot about this place.
Oldest restaurant in Tulsa, been
Amazing.
in here 116 years.
Wow.
Our number one dish that everybody gets is what we call a chili three-way, and it's spaghetti, beans, and chili. We've been serving that up for a long, long time. First of all, we've got to make some chili.
Okay.
To do that, you all have to dress the part.
If I get to look like you, sign me up.
So here
You
you
look
go.
badass, my friend.
I'm so excited that he's taking us back there to make chili.
Me too.
Well, let me show you how this gets going here. Bubba's the name of our grinder here. You just stick some of this meat in here.
Oh, wow. It's
So it
like the
gets
world's
going.
grossest Play-Doh machine. You're making me nervous as how
Okay,
far
I'll
your
make you
hands
feel
are
better. Let me,
disappearing down there.
I
I think I might be shooting free throws.
Here, you get that part, and you feed it.
I feed it?
Yeah,
I get to
stick
feed
it in the
Bubba?
hopper there. Yeah.
All right, Bubba's hungry.
Oh, my Lord.
Uh-huh. Give it a good yeah. Don't be scared.
This is like a carnivore Jamba Juice right here. This is
This turns into the liquid that all of our chili will cook in. This chuck that we're using, it's a pretty high quality chuck. And that's what makes our chili special, and it's part of our secret recipe. You'll be all right.
Oh, my.
Yeah, look at that big old steak
So I'm
going in
guessing,
there.
I'm guessing you guys do not take too kindly to vegetarians here.
Oh, we like vegetarians.
You
know? Yeah, it leaves more meat for the meat eaters.
You just let the meat dangle over Bubba's gaping mouth and he just sucks it in and grinds it up and spits it out. There's like this soothing rhythmic sound to it.
What I'm gonna do is we're gonna add these 3 pans of meat,
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
and you're gonna move that around, fold it in a little bit.
What's your history with Ike?
I've been involved now for 18 years. My brother-in-law invited me to come do this, but interesting story about me. I was adopted at birth. 2015, I met my aunt for the first time. She was showing me a picture album. She said, this guy right here, he was your great-great-great-grandfather in Guthrie, Oklahoma. He opened a chili parlor. Chili's in my blood.
Who can ask
So this looks pretty good. We're
Yeah.
gonna put this paddle down here, and then we're gonna add the rest of the meat here in a little bit.
All right.
So the chili we're making right now, we're not even gonna use it today. We like it to age a little bit.
Okay.
But we've got some chili over here that we actually made yesterday.
Okay.
And so maybe you all can make a dish of your own.
I think a friendly little.
Competition
Competition?
time? I think so.
Nice.
You
All right.
bet.
So you and Len both mentioned something to me about a 3-way.
Let's have a 3-way together. Here we go. I come in, I do a nice
All right,
little
it's like big heat.
bed pasta, and then we come in here with some of our signature beans.
Okay.
And then we come over here and we nice ladle of that chili on there. And then we throw it up there and we yell, order up! Come and get a three-way! Woo! And they take them out to the
Flair woo.
Yeah, every time.
It's official. All right.
All right.
Every three-way gets a woo here.
All the fixins for us to make this amazing dish.
All the accoutrement. I hope you guys are ready to
like you're starting off
amend
with
this
some
menu.
cheese.
Gonna let the chili melt the cheese. Throw some coleslaw on there.
Jalapeno's gonna spice it up.
Can't get enough cheese.
Cheddar makes everything better. Onion.
Give it a little bit of presentation. Garnish.
Order up.
Deluxe, order up. Woo!
Order up.
Yes.
Now it's your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and double up
There
because
you
he
go.
doesn't like extra meat. I'm gonna start with this chili here because I want it to soak into the bun.
Have some beans
Add
too.
some beans to it right here. Some onions,
Not much of a
cheese,
cook.
some
Little spice.
Lens idea there.
She's
Oh, I
going
didn't
for
see
it.
this coming.
Yeah.
Look at the
Oh, yeah.
presentation.
All right. Sonya, special order up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sonia's slop pile is not gonna make the menu.
I love what you did with the burrito. That's awesome. And then Sonia's, it's after my own heart. All right, so the winner is
Wisely, Len.
Sonia's. And so here is the
Wow, I humbly accept this.
the
Yes.
wiener dog hat.
That
Humbly.
is the award of the
Thank you
day.
very much.
You guys just made yourselves an enemy. I'm gonna open a place across the street
Oh, there you go.
that says Doug's Chili and put
There you
you all
go.
out of business.
Doug's burritos made.
That was a blast. I had a lot of fun.
That was so
eating,
fun.
winning, making all the things.
I'm so glad I got to eat what I made and did not have to eat what you made.
Ike's was amazing. That was an
This is awesome.
experience.
Hands down, best chili I've ever had.
Look at all the cool little spots over here. Oh, there's the Meadow Gold sign. Is that Bucks right there?
Bucks.
Yay!
Oh, look at this. You don't even have to look for vintage cars.
So
They find
cool.
you.
Look at this Bel Air.
My Civic ain't got nothing on this hood ornament.
Isn't it so crazy
So
the difference
attention
in
to
design?
detail. Yes.
Very futuristic.
Yep. These are works of
Look
art.
at the inside.
I'm just kind of shocked about how roomy it is in here.
If you pop the hood open on a newer car, you'll see so many things jam-packed. However, you still need maintenance on these things. A lot of maintenance, you know,
Yeah.
so you gotta keep it in tip-top condition.
guys!
So,
Hello.
Welcome to Buck Adams. Isn't this wonderful? These cool classic cars
Yeah.
I love it.
right here on Route 66. They call this the Meadow Gold District. And there's retail, there's food. So watching this area grow and the neons pop up left and right,
I'm getting like a Radiator Spring-esque feel to this whole
Totally,
community.
yeah.
I love,
love
that. That makes me smile.
Yeah.
We got this place in 2018 and decided, oh my gosh, a souvenir shop in a gas station on Route 66. Made up the whole character, Buck Adam. And
This is
now
your
that's
creation.
So, yes.
This is your brainchild.
Buck
Your baby.
Adam.
Biggest 6-year-old I've ever seen.
I was like, we need a roadside attraction of some
Yeah.
sort. Found this guy in Virginia and I gave him a picture. I said, hey, can you make him into a muffler man? And he said, yes.
Is that what these tall statues are called? Because I've seen a couple.
They were originally made in the 60s. A lot of them were seen holding mufflers.
So that's what I remember that from.
That's it.
I know you have this cosmic curio shop.
Oh,
yes.
I want to see what's inside.
Let's go shop.
All right,
do
let's
it.
go.
Come on. Welcome
wow.
to Buck Adams.
Oh
Yes.
my
Awesome.
God, this is so cool.
This is it.
Yeah.
First thing I noticed was Stella Adam, which leads me to believe, does he have a girlfriend in the works?
She will be 19 feet tall.
You're gonna have to build quite a threshold for him to carry her through.
People say, are you going to put her right next to him? She's an independent woman, so she wants
yeah.
to be on her own side.
She don't need no man.
All right, do you guys want to do some shopping?
Take a look around.
Look at the rocket ship.
Oh, wow.
That is so cool.
Whoever came up with this merch, Mary Beth, you're a genius. I love this stuff.
It's Buck Adams
And look at the
Speed
back.
Shop. Oh, I need this. Oh no, I absolutely need this.
Well, I'm gonna get the black. You get the gray.
No, I'm gonna get the black.
This is
I
more your
grabbed it
color.
first. All right, I'm gonna get my shirt. See this guy?
Yes,
This tells
yes.
me a ton about Route 66,
Yes.
and I just saw your passport, so I definitely want that.
Get you a stamp.
I get my first stamp.
What I hear you're buying? Awesome.
I'm so excited. Look at.
Thank you
We
all
will
so
take our
much.
stuff. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Wonderful meeting you.
I'll see
Thanks
you
so
all
much.
next time.
Take care.
Happy trails.
Thanks. Thank you so much, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Next stop.
Shreveport,
Louisiana.
I want to tangle with some gators.
Uh-huh.
I said a brain fart. In the chili.